To view the list of apps that are allowed to access your calendar on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen. Under privacy section, tap permission manager. Tap calendar. Here under allow section, you can see the list of apps that are allowed to access your calendar. If needed, you can tap one of the apps and then change the permission setting, like revoke the permission so that the app can no longer access your calendar anymore. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.